Yeah, it's not really a single gap, and it's more around our customers and what they're trying to do. They have business needs and they have pressures that we're trying to help them fill. And it's really around the kind of the three main themes which you heard about, which is around kind of performance and intelligence from an instrument point of view, and then ultimately sustainability, because they all wrap into them being able to address their business challenges and deliver for their customers. So it's kind of there's not like one thing that says, oh, there's the holy grail for us to go after. It's more a culmination of looking at their day-to-day business and what they need to achieve. All three. It's kind of a funny thing, and they don't necessarily raise it directly. So in the conversations, you start to pull out these themes and see commonality around again, back to the pressures that they're facing just to be able to deliver on their business needs or deliver to their customers. If you take a look at, for instance, environmental testing labs, it's all about trying to get their samples and generate a report as quickly as possible for their customers. And the three things that you just highlighted actually help them to do that more efficiently and effectively. And that's not unique to an environmental testing lab. You know, you can go to a chemical lab, they all have these same kind of pulls. Yeah, and I will say labs in general, you know, high throughput labs are exceptionally important, but anytime you have to do something and you have to go find a manual or to try to get your system back up and operational for doing your experiments, that's wasted time. That's time you're not doing analysis of the data you just generated. So GC Assist allows customers right at the point of need to be able to go and look up, I need to do X. There'll be a video for them to follow. It's not printed text, so it makes it much easier and quicker for them to actually execute an action to get back up and running. Yeah, so we can come up with really great ways to make things go faster and be more productive, but they won't be deployable. And we have to always remember to put that in the context of how a lab operates and who is actually doing the work. And that is not just instruments, that's looking at your software and the consumables by which the instruments are using. That, if you don't get all that right, if you're just solely focused on the instrument, then you'll miss the mark, and then customers won't be happy and they won't be able to achieve what they need to achieve.